Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the next part in our Accenture preparation series. And in this part 2, we will be discussing about the syllogism topic in logical reasoning. So what is syllogism? In syllogism question, they gives us some statement, one statement or some statement, and based on that statement, we have to find which conclusion follows that statement. So for this we use some tricks, like when they gives us the statement, we have to represent that statement so that we can find which conclusion follows that statement. So while solving the problem related to the syllogism, there are some notes or some tricks or some hints we have to keep in mind while solving the syllogism problems. Are There are two. Like, first one is don't assume anything. When we are representing any statement which is given in syllogism problem, we don't have to assume anything. Whatever information given in the question, we just have to represent that one. And the second one is, if you don't have information, then consider it as false. Like, we are representing anything, or when we don't have any information about that thing, then consider it as false. So these are two some of the notes. While solving the problems, when we are solve the problems, you understand why I have given these two notes in this section. Now, when we are representing the problem, there are three subsections while representing the problem, or three types of problem we can get. So let's discuss first one by one, that representation, how to do representation of that statement. So first statement is all A or B. So we can say that to represent it correctly, we can say that A is a class of some student which are in A, and B is some class, some student are there in B class, right? Some student are there in A class and some student are there in B class. So all A are B. So we can clearly understand that all A are in B. So we can represent it as A is under B circle. Right, by using circle we can represent that. So we can represent all A or B as A in A circle is in B circle. Okay, so now let's see what are the conclusions are there, and which conclusion follows this statement. We have to find that by using the representation. We have already done the representation of all A or B. So first conclusion is some A or B. Some part of some student of A are in class of B. Yes, we can clearly say by using that representation. Yes, it's true. Some B are A. Yes, some B class student are also A. Yes, it's true. No B are A. No, because some B class student are present in A. So how can this conclusion follows the statement, right? So it's an false. No A or B. No, because some A are also included in B na. So that's why we can say that it as false. Then let's understand the second statement, some A or B. So how can we represent some? So some part we can represent in this way. Some part of A circle is in B circle and some part of B circle is in A circle. So we can represent it as some A or B as A and B circle, which is given here. So let's see which conclusion follows. Some A are B. Some A are B. Yes, it's true. Some B are A. Some B class student are in A class. True. No B are A. No, because some B are in A na. So how can we say no B are A? So it's a false statement. No A are B. No, because some A student are A class student also in B class. So that's why we can say that no A or B is a conclusion which does not follows the statement. So now let's see the third part of this representation, no A or B. So we represent no A or B in this way, which is already represented here, no A or B, by using the cross sign. So let's see which conclusion follows this statement, no A or B. So first conclusion is some A or B. No, because A and B does not have any uh, connection between them. No A or B. No A class student is present in B and no B class student is present in A. So some A or B is false. All A or B is false. No B are A. Yes, because no B class student in A. Yes, it's completely true. So we can say it as true. It's incorrect. So now let's see some of the questions related to syllogism. So now we will discuss the syllogism practice question. So let's see one by one. The first question is, the statement is some actors are singers, all the singers are dancers. So how can we represent, let's represent one by one. Some actors are singers, so some here. So how can we represent these some? By using this type of two circles, actors and singers. Some actors are singers, all the singers are dancers. So all these singers are dancers, so we can include singer circle in dancer circle, right? So now let's see which conclusion follows this statement. So some actors are dancers, some actors are dancers, some actors are included in dancer circle. So yes, some actors are dancers. No singer is actor, no singer is actor. This is false, because see, some singers are actor, right? So that's why this is false. In this way we can find the conclusion, which conclusion follows. So here some actors are dancers, so first conclusion follows, only first conclusion follows. Let's see second question. Let's first represent the second question. The statement is all the harmoniums are instruments, so we can represent first harmonium circle. Then all harmoniums are instrument, all harmoniums, all means it is in the outer circle, that is instruments, right? We can represent it as like this, instruments. All the instruments are fluent, all these instruments are included in the fluids table, right? So write it as like this. So fluid. So see which conclusion follows. All the fluids are instrument, all these fluids are instrument. No, because fluids is not under the instrument circle, instrument is under the fluid circle. So that's why this conclusion does not follows. All the harmoniums are fluids, all the harmoniums are fluids. Yes, because all harmoniums are in the instrument circle and all instruments are in the fluid circle. So we can say that this as true. In third question, they have given the statement as some mangoes are yellow, some tixo are mangoes. So in that we can represent it as the first circle which is of mango, and some mangoes are yellow. So some relation we can represent it as m and y, the two circles, and some tixo are mangoes. So in m circle, some part of mango circle is of tixo circle, so we can represent it as like this. And in conclusion we have to see which conclusion follows the statement. So the first one is some mangoes are green, some mangoes are green, there is no any relationship or any information given about the green, so it's completely false statement. Then tixo and yellow, tixo is a yellow. No, because there is no any relation given between the tixo and yellow, so we can say that it is false conclusion. Now let's discuss the fourth question, which is statement. First we will see statement. Some ants are parrots. All the parrots are apples. So some ant are parrots. First represent this. Some ant are parrots. Some ants are parrots. All the parrots are apples. So we can say that all the parrots are apple here, and here apple, right? So we can see which conclusion follows right now. So the first one is all the apples are parrot, all the apples are parrots. No, because some of the apples which are not parrots, so this one is wrong. Some ants are apples, some ants are included in the apple circle, right? Because this one is part where ants are apples, we can clearly see that, therefore the second conclusion follows this statement. Then let's see the fifth question. Some paper are pens, some paper are pens, right? And all the pencils are pens. So here no one so here how can we represent this? All the pencils are pens. So here this is the pen circle, and we have to represent all the pencils and in the pen circle, so we can represent it as like this pencil. This one is the pencil circle, right? So we can see so we will now see which conclusion follows. Some pens are pencils, some pens some pens are pencils, right? Because this is the pencil circle and this is the pen circle. Some pens, part of pen is pencils, right? Correct. Some pens are papers, some pens are papers, right? So these two conclusion follows the statement. Then let's see the sixth question. All actors are girls. First write the draw the actor circle, actor, right? Then all actors are girls, all actors are girls. Then all the girls are beautiful, all girls are beautiful. In this way we can represent the in this way represent the all. In this way we can represent the all, and in this way we can represent the some relation. So some girls are so we have to find which conclusion follows. The first statement is all the actors are beautiful. All the actors are inside the beautiful circle. Yes, then it's true. Some girls are actors, some girls are actors. Yes, this also follows the statement, so this is true. In this way we can solve different question by using the representation technique.